A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, so you all are excited to start our second semester. You have done very good in your first semester examinations. Today we are going to move on to our new chapter, that is your fifth chapter, creating table in Word 2016. We have done the half part of Word in our first semester and baki ka half part we will study in our second semester. Let's move on. Today we are going to learn how to insert table. Now what is table? A table refers to an arrangement of data in rows and columns. जो हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है रोज और कॉलम में, a table refers to that. The insertion of a row and a column forms a rectangular box called a cell. Now, on the right hand side, you can see there is a small diagram defining the column and the row. The column is on vertical basis and the row is on the horizontal basis. And the small rectangular box are known as cells. These are known as cells. Okay. A column is a vertical basis series of a cell in a table and a row is a horizontal series of cells in a table, as I have told you now. Okay. A table can be inserted anywhere on the page. A table can be inserted even inside another table. मतलब हम लोग टेबल कहीं पे भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं पेज पे, और हम एक ही टेबल के अंदर दूसरा टेबल भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. Yes, we can do all these things in Word. Today we will learn it. Okay, let's move on. Now, creating a table. Word 2016 offers many different ways to create table in our document. Let's start with the simplest method to create a table. We will start with the simplest method using the table button. Let's move on to our Word document. See dear children, this is our new document. Here you will click on blank document and you will click on create. Okay, now this is our Word document. First of all, we will click on the insert tab. Yes, we will click on the insert tab. Here you can see table. Yes, we can insert table like this also. This is the simplest way. The rows, how many rows we want and how many columns we want. We will just drag the mouse pointer on the rows and columns, on the number of rows and columns we want in our document. Clear? And here we can type like this. Just we want the cursor. For suppose here I am typing serial number. Then now, to move on to the next cell, what I have to do, I will just press the tab key. Then I will type here subjects. Then again I will press the tab key. Then I will write here marks. Okay. Now, to move on to our next row, मेरे को serial number के next वाले row में जाना है. Then what I will do, I will press again the tab key. Okay, here I will write number 1. Now if I want to move backwards, अगर मुझे फिर से marks वाले rows में जाना है, columns में जाना है, what I will do, I will press shift plus tab key. See, you can see the highlighted. Okay, marks highlight हो गए, means that currently I am there in that cell I am working. See, the cursor will be placed here. To move backward, shift plus tab, and to move forward in the table, just the tab key. Clear? Now I will show you the next way how to insert the table. Okay, we will again move on to the insert tab. We will click on tables. Here we can also, then there is an insert table option. We can click here also. See, they are asking the number of columns we want, means in the horizontal way, in the vertical way, and the number of rows we want. Okay. For suppose number of columns 5 and number of rows 3. You will just click on OK. See how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns, 3 rows. Clear? Understood? How to enter the text in a table? I have shown you earlier. You will just write your serial number or anything or roll number. Click on the tab key for moving forward, and for to move backward you will press shift plus tab key. Clear? Now another way I will also show you how to insert table. I will place the cursor where I want to insert the table. I will again click on the insert tab, table, then draw table. See, there is also an option of draw table. Now you can see the mouse pointer has been changed to pencil. Pencil में change हो गया. Now what I have to do, I will drag it. See, okay. Now you can see the border of the table. Now if I want to draw here columns, first column, second column, third column and the fourth column. Okay. Now how to draw the rows? You will just drag the mouse pointer and draw it like this. See. Understood? The number of rows and the columns I want. Clear? Next one, I will show you the next option, how to insert table. Now next one is, we will again go on to the insert tab, click on tables, then there are quick tables. Yes, if we want to draw the quick tables, there are the different layouts for drawing the tables. Now we will just click on any one. See, here you can see I have selected one. Now I can edit the text also. You can see the cursor here. I can write here subjects, okay, and here needed, instead of needed I can write here marks. See, I am editing the text in it. I will write here first English, then here 35. Clear? Understood? How you can insert the table using different options. Understood very well, dear children. Now using the table option we saw that. Using the insert table option we saw that we have to insert the number of columns and the number of rows. Using the draw table option, this also we have seen now only. Next, using the quick tables, this also we learned. Next, what's next? Now converting text into a table. Now for suppose we have written a text, okay, हमने word में कुछ text type किया है, we have to convert that text into a table. That also we can do in the Word with the help of a converting text into a table option. Clear? Let's see this option. Now for suppose this text I have already entered in the Word. Okay, now I have to convert this text into a table form. How can I do that? I will select the whole text. Okay, I have selected the whole text. I will click on the insert. I will go on the table option. Now here you can see convert text into a table. I will click on it. Then it is asking number of columns I want 2, okay, and the number of rows are 4. Now here you have to select separate text at other. Okay, you have to select this condition for converting text to a table. I will click on OK. As you can see, the text which was already there in Word, which was typed by me in Word, has been converted into a table. Clear? Again I will show you how you have to go. I will just click on to the undo command. Okay. What I have done, I have written the text here. I have typed the text here. I will click on insert table, convert text to table, number of columns 2. Here I have to select other, click on OK. Clear, dear children? Understood very well? Moving on. Now, next we have seen that entering data in the cell. I have shown you selecting a row or a column and selecting adjacent cells in a table. This we have also seen how to move to the next cell, how to move backward and move through the cells. Now moving through the cells, you can use the arrow keys. Clear? Next, modifying a table. Now how we can modify the table, in that how we can insert rows, columns or cells. We will see that also. Now for suppose this is our table, okay, this is our first table. Now here I want to insert a row or a column, you can say that. I will select this, okay, then I will just right click on it. I will click on insert. See here different options are there. Insert columns to the left, insert columns to the right, insert rows above or insert rows below. See, one row is inserted below. I will show you another one. See, if you want to insert the column, you will just move your cursor to that particular cell. Insert column to the left. See here. On the left hand side of the serial number, one more column is being inserted. If I want to insert column on the right side of the roll number, I will move my cursor in the roll number cell. Okay, I will right click on it. I will click on insert and I will click on insert column to the right. Is it clear to you, my dear children? This is very easy. You have to just follow step by step. That's it. Okay. Now, if I want to delete this, what I will do? I will select this. Okay. अगर मुझे ये पूरा एक column delete करना है, I will select it. I will right click it. I will click on delete columns. Clear? Is it clear to you? Now, if I want to delete this particular row, I will select that. I will click on delete cells. Now it is asking shift cells left or up, on the left hand side or on the up, or delete entire row. Yes, if I want to delete the entire row, I will just click on entire row. See, one row has been reduced. There were 4 rows, now there are 3 rows. Clear to you, dear children? Understood very well? Okay. Next, we have seen this deleting rows, columns or cells. Now, merging and splitting cells. Now, if you want to merge or split cells, you can also do that in Word. Now, these steps you will try it on your own. Okay, I am giving you a lab time. Okay, and then you have to try the merge cells and the split cells. Okay, what you have to do is you have to follow these steps, and here see, the merge cells icon is there, split cell icon is there, and the split table icon is also there. If you are having any doubt, we can solve it in our next video lesson. Okay. Now, there is a lab time for you. Dhruva's teacher has told the students about some useful herbs. She has asked her to create table in Word giving names of these herbs and save the document as herbs. Now, this lab time is there in your textbook on page number 50. You will follow the steps from there, and then in the same way you will create the table as there it is in textbook, and then you will send a photo shot to me. Okay, you are having my WhatsApp number, you will send a photo shot to me. I hope this part of the lesson is very much clear to you. We will meet next time with something new in computer. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.